Alright, so today we have our vicrez power washer. This is our TurboJet version. We have our TurboJet and featherjet, and as you can see, the TurboJet is much bigger. You have more customization on how much pressure you want and how you want the spray to come out. So for example, you can change the pressure. So to change the pressure, there's a knob right here you can turn. There's a max and min. So you just turn this on the bottom one to determine how much pressure you want. And on the top here is how you can turn it on and off. The left side of this is cable for power. So you just connect that to any outlet, you'll be fine. The bottom is water source, so you connect your water hose onto that. And our right side right here is our nozzle, which is how you spray our water. As of now, we have everything plugged in. Once you turn it on, you can simply press this and water will come out. So one of the benefits of using our TurboJet version is that you can put different nozzle tip on it to determine what kind of spray that you want. So included in our package, we have 5 different tip for you to choose from. We have the 40-degree tip, and to put it on is very simple. You just snap it on and you'll hear a visible click, and there's a number on it and it shows the angle of it. So 40 degree, it's really wide and really mist. So you can go up close and cover a bigger area, and you can turn the tip sideways, or top down sideways like this to determine how you want the spray to be. The 40 angle one is very good. It's really wide, so you can cover a lot of bigger area surface. Yeah, and to take it off, you just press it down and it will pop right out. All right, so the next one we have is the green one, which is the 25 degrees. This one still gives you the wide spread, but it's more condensed. So it's wide enough, but also tight enough to get that area. It's just like the medium-sized spread that you want. And like I said before, you can turn the tip to determine what side the pattern is on. So up and down, and then sideways. And the next one we have is the yellow one, which is the 15-degree one. And this is much tighter now, so much more powerful and much more closer grouping. So this one is much tighter, much more powerful. It's much condensed. So it still has a spray, but this is like the one before the jet one. So if you just want a really tight area, maybe a side of the wall that you want to clean, this will be perfect for that. Next one is the orange one, which is the 0 degree. And this one is pretty much like a jet. It's really concentrated and really tight. So it's just like a little dot in the opening. So it's really powerful. It can shoot really far. And this is pretty much good for getting those much harder places. Since this is much more powerful, you want to use it on floors, or cleaning between the crack or something, like concrete or your parking lot or your driveway. Those crevices in between, this would be perfect for that. So you don't want to use this on paint or any fragile surfaces or on glass. It might leave a mark. So our last one is the black one, which is the soap. It has a soap label on it, and this is pretty wide tip. The soap one is kind of like the 45-degree one, but it's less. There's more water coming out. It's meant to make it more soapy. But usually you want to use the soap one first to get the soap on the car or on your driveway or pavement, whatever you want to clean. So yeah, use this one first. The spray is much more wide, much more soft. It's meant to make it more bubbly and soapy. This one is not going to be as foamy as a foam cannon, but it's good enough to have the soap apply onto your car or onto the material, whatever you want to clean. All right, so if you don't want to use any of the nozzle tip that we provided, you can actually use it with a foam cannon, which we have right here. And the tip is universal, so you can use it with any foam cannon that the market provides. So for this, the put on is very simple. You just attach it onto the top. You put water and your solution here, and this is how you can make that foam with the foam cannon. But you can use it with our TurboJet power washer.